Well, yes, a great news coming in for all the Tata Motors shareholders because the company has gone ahead and announced the demerger of its businesses into two separate listed entities. Firstly will be the commercial vehicle arm, which contributes around 22% in their overall top line, and the other one will be the passenger vehicle segment, which houses JLR, the India passenger vehicle segment, as well as the EV subsidiary. Now, the rationale behind that the company did share is that since for the past 2 to 3 years, these entities were actually operating under different heads, and even in the financials, the company was reporting its financials under separate headers, and even the analysts were actually valuing their separate divisions separately, like in the SOTP valuation, that is the sum of the parts valuation. They used to give around 250 to 300 rupees for their commercial vehicle business. If we see, if we take 1,000 rupees as a stock price of Tata Motors, and the other 700 rupees was coming in from the passenger vehicle arm. Now, what is the analyst take on this demerger that has been announced, which will take another 12 to 15 months for the whole process to get completed? They see it as a sentimentally positive news flow, because they have already mentioned that the stock has seen a great run-up. As per the SOTP valuation, the stock seems to be fairly priced, and with this, there is more clarity in the times ahead with respect to the capital allocation, with respect to the kind of focus that the company can put in for their commercial vehicle as well as their passenger vehicle arm. But as of now, nothing changes from the stock perspective or the valuation perspective. So this news flow is definitely a positive trigger for all the Tata Motors shareholders, because once this demerger is done, there could be a value unlocking that we could see for the commercial vehicle as well as their passenger vehicle arm. But as of now, the analysts do say that this is a sentimentally positive news indeed.